Today we are going to be making a Caesar salad. One of the first things you need to do when you make a Caesar salad is to cut the romaine. Romaine is very nutrient. There's a lot of nutrients in romaine. There's more vitamin C than in orange. It takes a lot to cut a piece of romaine, to cut a head, because it is so thick. And in that thickness, you get the best taste. And that is the best thing for romaine to be in your Caesar salad. Alright, this should be enough to make a good sized Caesar salad. So, I will just simply take this much and bring it back to the kitchen. Alright.
Hello, this is Fred from Fred's Fitness Center. We're going out of business this week, so you can come on down to Fred's. We're closing this Thursday. You can get any of our supplies, our equipment, for twice the price we bought it for. So, for example, you can buy a used milk bottle. That's right, used milk bottle, glass, pretty nice, yeah. So that's just one of our options. We bought this milk bottle for $6.99. You can buy it for 13 bucks. That's right. And we even lowered the price some. Yeah. Another deal we have is we also have a used book light. Still works though. Pretty sweet. Yeah. This thing's like, I don't know. This thing's pretty awesome right here. Yeah. So my name's Fred. Anyway. Oh, one last deal. Yeah, that's right. We sell the day before's paper for twice as much as they sell the day before. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, we got yesterday's paper. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, so anyway. That's how we do it here, Fred. Alright, we're going out of business. You'll be able to see me at the store every single day from now to next Thursday. Alright, goodbye.
Hello. Now we are going to be making the dressing. First, I have to add 2 cloves of minced garlic and put it in the bowl there. There we go. Next, I should add 1 fresh egg. There we go. Now that I've added both of those, I should stir it together some using a whisk. There we go, stir it together. There we go. Just stir that together. Next, I should add 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, or a little bit less if you do not like it oily. Add this in. Next, I add 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil, or canola oil. There we go. Add this in. Alright, I'll stir this together some more. There we go. Dressing is about halfway done now. You need some very important things in it. Next I add
about 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add this in. There we go. And then I add about 3 inches of anchovy paste. 3 inches. Okay, there we go. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. About 3 inches in there. Alright, just added the 3 inches of anchovy paste. Now, I'll just stir this together some more. A lot more. Get this to the side here so you can see it. There we go. Stir this together a lot. It should be very creamy. There we go. Now I should add the salt and pepper. That sounds like enough. And now I should add the pepper. Alright. You never want to add too much pepper. If you add too much pepper, a very bad thing could happen. And that is that your dressing would not taste good because there would be too much pepper in it. Alright, there's our final result. If you buy dressing at the store, it is likely to not just be white and creamy. That is because it has been bought at the store and it does not look good if it is this color, but it tastes better if it is this color. So, finish whisking this together, just like that, get it all together, and then I will come back later and make and prepare the lettuce.
Support the Maui Fund. Maui is very nice. Aren't you, Maui?
Hello. Now we are going to be preparing the lettuce. Alright. First, I have a little bit of an end right there. Cut this off just like that. Then, to cut it into slices like this. Just like that. This piece is too endy, so I will not add that in. Cut off the middle a little bit farther in because the heads of romaine do not taste good if they have this hard part. It's more like a rock than lettuce. Cut this off until it's small enough. Then I'll cut it into little slices. I want this to have in the romaine. That's the real part of the romaine that the people like in their salads. Alright, so I'll cut this up a whole lot. Just like that. And there you go. You never want to cut off your finger. Because if you cut off your finger, you might have to go to the hospital, because if you cut off your finger it would hurt. Alright, so there we go. We're cutting this into little slices, and I've got all these little slices put together, and we need some big pieces too to go in there to make it actually a salad. And then after we have this, we will wash it. So first, put all this in here. Just put it in here. Look for little pieces like this that are dirty. Do not want to include the bad pieces.
It's perfectly fine if they have little holes in them, because it doesn't make a difference in the taste. Taste is what counts always. So now I shall get all these pieces prepared, and I shall fill this with water, cold water. Make sure that the water is cold. If the water is not cold, then it will wilt then, and then that would not very be good, because if you had wilted romaine. Hello, I've got the dressing right here, and now I shall mix it all together. I'll add the lettuce into here with the salad sauces. You have to mix it together very, very, very well. Here we go. Mix this all together very well. There we go. Add all this together. Alright. Then I want to add a handful of fresh Parmesan, fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Very well. Tossing salads is very important. There we go. Now, what I must do is add the freshly made croutons. This looks like just about enough. Croutony salad. There you go. There we go. Mixing this all together very well. Alright, then I want to add more freshly ground black pepper. Very slowly, looks like I'll need more soon. But there we go, just spin this all together some more. Just like that. There we go. Alrighty. This is looking very good, isn't it? Now that we have all this ready, it is pretty much done. So, come next week when we're making something very, very delicious. I want to add more freshly ground black